In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Booksy business account. Booksy is an incredibly useful platform for beauty professionals, barbers, and hairstylists to schedule appointments online. Whether you're a new business owner or looking to streamline your appointment bookings, creating a Booksy business account is a straightforward process that can be incredibly beneficial for managing your bookings efficiently. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to the Booksy website. You can easily find it by searching Booksy in your web browser or by entering the URL directly. Booksy serves as a marketplace for hairstylists, barbers, beauticians, and many more. Shows the convenience of booking appointments online. It's a great place to connect with your clients. Once there, look towards the top right corner of the homepage where you will find the option to list your business. Clicking on this takes you to a section where you can begin setting up your very own profile. It's an inviting prompt that highlights just how simple it is to get started. Afterward, you'll see an option that says, "Try it free." This is an invitation to explore what Booksy has to offer without any initial commitment. Clicking on "Try it free" opens the door to a trial period where you can experience firsthand the benefits and functionalities of the platform. Following this, it's time to fill out your business details. This includes your business name, contact information, and address. Make sure the details are accurate as they will be visible to your clients. Accurate information ensures your customers can reach you easily and helps in building trust between you and your clients. The next step involves choosing how you'd like to sign up. You can select Continue with Email, which is a classic registration method that requires you to enter your email address and create a strong password. It's a simple and straightforward way to ensure you have a dedicated login. For those who prefer a more streamlined approach, you can choose to sign up using one of the supported social accounts. Selecting Continue with Apple provides a quick and secure way of logging in if you're already using Apple services frequently. This method protects your privacy while ensuring ease of access. Similarly, you have the Continue with Facebook option, which is another way to simplify your sign-up process if you're already logged into Facebook and wish to integrate your social media presence with your business on Booksy. Additionally, there's an option to Continue with Gmail, which provides an intuitive way for Google users to sign in quickly with the credentials they use for so many other online services. And there you have it. Each step is designed with user-friendliness in mind, allowing you to get your business up and running on Booksy without any hassle. Utilizing this platform can boost your business visibility and improve the client booking experience. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you create a successful Booksy business account.